Meaning of exclusion order.
Exclusion order.
Exclusion order.
Exclusion order.
Exclusion order. An exclusion order is a legal instrument used by the United States International Trade Commission, ITC, to prohibit the importation of certain infringing goods into the United States. It is a powerful tool that allows the ITC to block imports of products found to infringe on U.S. patents, trademarks, or copyrights. Once issued, an exclusion order can have significant impacts on affected parties, including companies that rely on imports for their business operations and consumers who rely on those products. The order prohibits the importation of the infringing goods, which can result in increased domestic demand for similar non-infringing products.